and you're listening to the Rollercasters, hosted by
Bhargavi Kamchali.
Janani Jain and
Tansi Dungana, and welcome to our brand new interesting podcast.
we three are great friends and we are a random group of weirdos with weird lives.
We talk about random topics from fun, weird, and barely discussed topics.
For us, the Rollercaster is a platform to express our talent, skills, and emotions, I guess.
Welcome to the fun.
We publish new episodes every Friday and do subscribe to us. You have to listen to more podcasts. And for now, bye.
Toodles!
Bye.
The part 2 of this episode comes out on Monday 2:30 p.m. GST. Enjoy. Have a great day. The Rollercasters.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the Rollercasters. We are your hosts, Tansi Dungana and
Bhargavi Kamchali. And clearly, Jenny is not with us. She's educating aliens. Being a really great, good character person, she decided to educate not people on Earth, but people outside Earth. So for today,
very thoughtful of her. Very thoughtful of her, you know.
yeah, very.
You'll get her pictures as well. But
Yeah, we'll send
it
that.
take some time. No, I mean I think it will be there. Don't worry about that, because she said that none of the aliens really know how to take pictures, and there's no other human. So yeah, but it's okay. She'll train them. It's okay, guys. She got this.
Yeah. So to accompany us, we have Nancy's brother Aryan
Aryan,
joining
hi.
us. In my eyes, he's really cute. So Aryan.
Also very naughty, and guess. So let me just give a brief information. So he's my brother. He's 7 years old, about to be 8, which still has enough time.
7 months.
7 months. He's got a little bit more bigger brain than me, and he's almost a good person. So let's welcome him,
Very good
everyone.
at
No flex, everyone.
Yeah.
Okay. So, hi Aryan. How are you doing today?
good.
Great.
And my head is hurting good.
Your head's hurting, Aryan?
That's what happens, you know, when you watch TV for long, right? Stereotypically speaking. Okay. So today we're going to be playing this very nice game, but it's not exactly a game because we're going to be talking a lot. So
A lot. Yes.
we were clueless on what to talk about, and then it hit me. Let's talk
Nancy the
about
Great.
something random. You know, as in random, we didn't know what to talk about. So random. So we googled up random word generator. So Bhargavi and Aryan can see this, but I don't think
You
you
can't. You can just literally type random word generator in Google,
Yeah,
select
and
any
find
app, and then start playing.
Mhm.
You can play among your family, your friends, or any group
Yeah,
or
any-
community.
Also, I
Anyone.
think I might give you a practice on whatever academics. Don't take it too hard, but like
Japan.
Academics doing this.
not Japanese. Okay, so you can also choose the number of words you want to generate. We just chose one because all three of us are going to talk about one thing. I cannot believe we are shooting. I mean, we're recording with a 7-year-old here, but it's cool.
Yeah.
He's half our age, but it's cool.
Yeah.
He's 14, I'm 7. I still have some years to get that.
7 years to get.
Guys, if you find any of his words rude, don't take it in. He's a
Yeah,
kid.
please don't take it too hard. He's a good person. I mean, he's my brother, so he has to be good. I mean, anyways, moving on. So I'm just going to click here, and I think I'll get my word because I don't know. So I clicked it.
Guys, fun fact. Aryan is way more better than Tansy.
Yeah. So guess what? Anyways, whatever. So I have. So I think we just go to generate random words, and I'm gonna click on it. Okay. So it has the
Look at
word load, but okay. You know what? I'm just going to restart it.
There's even a Japanese temple on that.
That's not.
It's a Japanese temple, Aryan.
Okay. So we
You
have
know which
another.
temple?
We have another. Yep. We have another site. Anyways. Okay. So.
This app thingy, this game, it's a really great way to increase your communication, speech, talking skill.
Yeah.
It's nice.
So now I'm going to generate it. So let's see what we get. Okay. So this is a pretty interesting one. We got the word threatening. Now I don't know how we're going to record a whole episode on the word threatening, which is I don't know.
I have no idea what's that.
You don't know
The
what?
entire episode is going to be based on threatening.
Hold on. Yep, it is.
Threatening.
Okay, see,
That's-
guys, I'm very sorry, but I think we have to generate another word. So that's what I'm going to do. We're very sorry, but
Threatening's nice.
okay, we
It's-
got a very nice word. The reason we cannot use threatening is because I don't know. I don't think it's.
Fancy's scared of ghosts, guys.
I don't
Fancy's
believe
scared
in
of
ghosts.
ghosts.
Please, please.
Whenever I tell her horror stories,
Now stop.
I don't like the dark.
all her. Huh?
I don't like the
He
dark.
doesn't like the dark.
Good, Aryan. Very good. Keep up the good effort. Try killing your dog. Okay, so
So, anyways, before you continue, let me just interrupt Bhargavi here. So, I generated another
let me
word.
continue my story. Whenever I tell her a horror story, she gets up all the god's idols, keeps it beside her, and tells her that she can't even sleep
Okay.
at night.
No, see, I don't know where you're getting this. Guys, this is you. I don't know how fake this is. I don't know what to say. But at this point, I
this
cannot think.
so nice.
No, you're clearly.
You know, when we were recording the ghost episode, which if you haven't seen, go and check that out. She had literally all the idols of God beside her, and she was literally catching up a pillow. I still remember that.
The reason was
So it's
because
like my
I was
own eye.
dead. Then that was what, like, I don't know. That was long back. Okay, guys, I'm not scared of ghosts.
That was long back. That was this year. That was a long back. That's clearly 2
Anyways.
months back.
Anyways, moving on to something better. So I generated another word here, and we have the word mask, which is great. And we're going to talk about the word mask. Now,
Mask? Mask
Yeah.
is like a hacker mask, a scary mask, a clown mask.
just a normal cloth mask that protects you.
Mask saves you from the pandemic. Very important. Person forgot
Very,
that.
very important. But before, I think giving an extent. Okay, so this is something we learned in school, as in the whole. It's very ethical and moral. So people wear mask is what we learned in school. Now
Oh
here
my god.
we are not talking about the face mask. Like, we are not talking about the mask that's protecting you, that's protecting me. No. We are talking about
Scary masks. Like
no,
scary.
Aryan, you're mistaken. We are talking about a personality mask.
Yeah, I have a pun. Can I say it?
Sure.
Do you like fruits, Fancy?
Duh.
Well, I like the muskmelon.
Okay, this is not funny.
It's not funny, it's cringy.
It's very, very lame. But I have to laugh. No, it's not bad. I'd say it's not bad. It's good. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It was a bad pun.
Wait, that
It was very bad. It was the first thing that came to my brain, so I just want to tell it out.
that idea. We are in one of your episodes. You have to try try not to laugh challenge.
Oh yes, maybe we'll do that
That's
next
nice.
episode.
Yeah, we can do that.
We'll
Give
definitely.
us an idea.
So we're just going to have we'll have a list of jokes and or puns or whatever. They can be original or unoriginal.
Proceed you to it.
Yeah,
They can be stupid or lame. It can be anything. It just has to be a joke. If you guys can, you can share some jokes with us.
yep. Now, moving on, we are here to talk about the word mask, which is a pretty simple 4-letter word, mask, mask. Well,
It has a lot of meanings.
it does. It has a very deep meaning. It has a very funny meaning. It has a very hydrating meaning. Like
Even like
It has a very deep and a dark meaning.
outside in one of the stores, they say like they're supposed to be masked wearing.
yeah, you're supposed to wear mask. Exactly. Now, let's go with the very simple mask that everyone knows, the face mask. Now, it is very important to talk about face mask because that protects you and also protects others. In case you have got anything, keeping just the
Like
COVID-19, even if you have fever or common cold, anything, keeping the whole COVID-19 thingy away because that's all very overwhelming. But before, so apart from that, there are many other contagious diseases that may spread. So it's always helpful, but I hate wearing masks, guys. And you cannot breathe.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
You can't breathe.
That's what Karin was about to say.
Yeah.
You can't breathe. If you're suffocating someone, put some cloth in your nose and just tell it don't breathe anymore. And that you're doing it on your own will also.
That's
Not,
but
and
also,
even if you put it a little loose, the whole government will come behind you saying that coronavirus will come and attack you. It will come and attack.
Yeah, only if you're trying to breathe, which is apparently almost illegal now, which is I don't know what to say. It's weird.
One
But
time
now no one's taking it serious though. Everyone's like so random.
somewhere
Uh-huh.
and like I saw a scroll that was saying always wear a mask, something.
Yeah, that's to protect the spread of infection. Also,
Yeah, but nobody is following that, especially adults, because
A
they
lot
think
of-
coronavirus is gone. No
but-
offense though, but then you have to take in the precautions in order to save your and many other people's lives. So
you definitely should, guys. Also,
yeah.
connecting it to real life, back in my place in Kathmandu, which is the capital of Nepal, there is so much of pollution that even during 2015-16 and
Look.
before the pandemic, everyone used to wear cloth mask because majority of them ride on bikes and cycles. They transport on autos because they go to work, school, whatever. Not everyone can afford a car, so we used to, even I bought like a few cute little cloth masks to wear because of the pollution there. So that's one thing.
Even in
And for the guys, when Tansy was talking, she said the word autos, but most of you don't know what auto means. If you don't know, it's a thing in India. We call it as auto rickshaw. It's a transport. It's really nice. I love sitting in an auto rickshaw than in a car.
it has only like 3 wheels. It has 3 wheels.
Yeah, it's a three-wheel vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Salim said.
USA, they actually don't wear like masks. They
That was
actually-
before the pandemic.
Yeah.
Anyways,
Before the
Moving on.
pandemic.
that was before the start of
Yeah. Now masks can be related to another way also, that is people's hidden deep dark behavior. I take masks as like every person has a mask at some point in their life. Naren,
Yeah, he's just showing a thumbs up.
yeah.
Yeah,
Same
so
here.
it could be they're hiding a good person inside them or a bad, because we clearly don't know. Also, it could be good because I mean they might fear being too soft. that people might take advantage of them or something like that, which is a pretty common feeling.
Or they may be too soft to take advantage of someone.
Or maybe they're too nice. They're scared of being too nice, or too happy, thinking that something bad is going to happen. Actually, there is something I don't know, I completely forgot about it, but I have read this somewhere that some people are too scared to become happy, like to express their happiness or to be happy, because they think that something sad or unfortunate is going to happen in their lives soon. Which
is not
I've
true.
heard that too. I've heard that, like, don't laugh too much, you will cry a lot or something like that. I don't know. Just don't.
Yeah, they say all that, but it's not true. The more you laugh, the more happier you will feel. The more happiness you'll get, more memories you will make, and all those kind of situations that makes completely no sense actually is important to you. So make sure that tiny situation you don't spend by crying, but by laughing more than you ever can.
Yeah.
Never.
Don't try to hide anything.
Aryan is saying every day put hand sanitizer.
And so you get things, you have to put hand sanitizer on top of it. And
when you buy things, you sanitize them.
Then you even
like that.
And then you put them on your hands.
Very, very, very secure. Yes. Very good.
Sure.
I eat directly without doing anything to them. It's not good though.
I'm just in grade 1.
Congratulations, Aryan.
Nancy, can you tell what he said in here?
I just said, okay, so he said he's smarter than me. I'm in 10th grade compared to a first grader's brain.
So it is true. I'm smarter than my sister also. I accept it.
Yeah, I don't know
which
if I want to
sense?
at this point.
No, see, it is true though. Sorry for diverting the topic, but up to some point it is true. No offense to all those elder sisters out there. You are way too smarter. But then we are also smarter than me. No offense, Nancy. You are also smart enough, but Aryan is very smart enough. Others, he wouldn't have gotten you irritated in your entire life. If he's getting irritated, then he's very smart.
Sure.
Has a brain.
He's very annoying, by the way.
Sure.
Yeah, I know. All sisters are annoying, Aryan. I also have elder sister like Nancy. She's also very annoying. You are also very annoying, actually, because I am also very annoying to my sister.
Sure.
Nancy is so clueless. Okay, coming back to the topic of masks. Masks. So that's another way of hiding out your behavior with the word called as mask. There's nothing to speak with the word mask. Can we generate another word?
Okay. Fine. So that's one word. We've talked about mask.
It is like nothing based on mask. It's like you wear a mask. It saves you from the pandemic. It keeps your identity a secret. From most of the people you hate.
At some point it protects you, but you cannot use it. You cannot rely on it on a wrong run kind of
basis. Yeah.
If you're deciding to become if you're deciding to pretend and become a whole different person in a day, and then you're thinking of changing yourself, your personality in a day, something to what you're not, because some things are just supernatural, that not as in not the word supernatural, I mean super natural, that you just cannot change it.
Two different words. Super is different, natural is different.
Natural is different, right? So yeah, some things are just stay, but changes are good. People say changes are good. They are definitely hard to adjust to, but it's okay because life requires changes. And that's why
but at some point they are nice.
And that's why.
Yeah, you continue. I'll stop interrupting.
Yeah. So and that's why my brain keeps changing its shape. Like.
Your brain keeps changing its shape.
Yeah.
Fancy, you're not an amoeba or some kind of uni or multicellular creature that's having a liquid brain or a gaseous. gaseous brain that will keep changing its shape every 20-30 minutes, okay?
Okay.
You don't change your brain, you change your ideas very quickly. She's the most procrastinated person in the entire world. Let me say that.
Right.
She changes
So-
everything.
Hi everyone, it's me, Janani. As you guys heard, Bhargavi and Tansi's episode right now. As you are, even me, I'm also clueless. Actually, when Tansy sent me the recording, she told me that it was a try not to laugh challenge episode. Okay, so then I thought, okay, it would be the game they might be playing and stuff like that. But I'm also very clueless about this episode. And this is just the part 1. And let's see if they do play Try Not to Laugh challenge in the part 2. So tune in to see part 2. Yeah, so it's me signing off. Bye.
Hope you guys liked this week's episode. Tune in to hear the part 2 on Monday 2:30 p.m. GST. Toodles. Bye, have a great day.